Oh, and welcome my friend. And next we have defect code in my engine. In there we can see this yellow engine warning light. And now we check that what is this defect. There is this my OPD scanner. And now I have scanned that issue. And there is really code that I have P0366. And it means that now my camshaft position sensor B range performance bank 1 is not not okay. It is not correct. And what that really means? Okay, next we go to look my engine and I will explain that what is this defect if my camshaft position sensor B is not working. It means for that exhaust camshaft. Okay, and now when I have this defect code in exhaust camshaft, it is really this area in here and that part. Now this error code tells that this fill, this upper fill, this is in wrong position when we have in sensor in here. And this sensor looks like that. And now this sensor measures in here that this part, that means now this camshaft sprocket, that this fill is in a little bit wrong position. And now we have to manage to fix that issue so that we move a little bit that adjusting fill, like 1 millimeter in that side or in here, or then we need to replace maybe this timing chain, and then we have to check this timing marks that they are in just right position. And I take this my timing tool next, and when we do this timing setup, we need this special tool. This helps, and there are two bolts what fits in these holes. And this is really accurate job in BMW, because if there is 1 millimeter difference, there can be this defect code. And remember that this fill is movable. It moves when we open that bolt. And now in my case, this my computer says that this part, what is sensor and there is connector, it tells that this fill is a little bit wrong position when this engine is running. That kind of information to you.